God, what is the point? There you go.
Frequency stop 400 megahertz and attenuator, where is the attenuator? Amplitude. So to be, and now the bandwidth resolution bandwidth, let's go a little bit down. And you can see those, and let's maybe switch. Do you see what's coming up?
Mm-hmm.
Only from that's the display.
Oh, that's just from the power.
The display from the voltage meter.
Radiating out to the antenna.
Yeah, but this
antenna.
is marker not marker in the frequency range of 270 megahertz.
Mm-hmm.
And let's go up with the frequency, stop frequency in the region where we are working, 500 megahertz, and let's say start 200 megahertz, for example, and we are marker anywhere in this region, maybe.
Yeah, you can see the spike.
Yeah, and that's this is the
Oh, wait,
power
turn the
supply unit
Yeah.
before and after.
Yeah.
And this causes, because these needles are intermodulating with, for example, one transmitter,
Mhm.
and the mixing product maybe is our frequency range.
Yeah.
And with this environment you have to live, or try to find a way to live with.
Mhm.